headed to the destination, man. We not about to do no road racing or nothing, but this Eclipse right here trying to play with us. All right. All right. What you got? Play ball. Play ball. Play ball. This boy on some rated R shit right now. Hey, I say you on some rated R shit right now.
Me?
Yeah. This my brother, little friend, man. I really like that rap. I really like that rap. Oh, this finna be a fun night, y'all. I did not know this was a manual transmission. I did not know that. But he has a 6-speed manual transmission in that mug. He be skating on people, boy. Alright. Hey, that 3.7 sound good though. That 3.7 sound good though. Y'all boys need to wait, man. We need to get somewhere first, play ball. Hey, I'm just a videographer, you guys. Don't think I'm out here racing, man. No, bro. I like that 3. Look at Cam, he cruises by like I don't got time for that bullshit. Homeboy tripping. We are supposed to be getting on the highway right now. What the hell going on, play ball? Still don't know what the hell we doing. Still don't know what we doing. Hey, this stick shift life lit. It's litty. Cam must was asleep. Cam had to be asleep, bro. Oh shit. This shit hilarious, cuz. I guess I gotta lead this shit. I guess I gotta lead, bruh. And I'm trying to make the content. I'm gonna turn my car into a content car. Content car. Oh shit, now these boys wanna have fun. Okay. Now y'all boys wanna have fun, okay. The camera over here. Alright, it seemed like we have a destination. Definitely found a spot to park. I don't think no other cars are meeting over here. So, this is where it's gonna be. All right, boys, man. We found a spot. Oh yeah, 75, baby. Hit them RPMs. 5 grand. supposed to be headed towards the White Bridge of downtown. So we almost there. So I think here's the bridge right here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Bro, go, bro. Yeah. Stunt, man. Just because you know how to drive don't mean everybody you driving with knows how to drive. That's all I'm gonna say, man. So y'all gotta be very careful, especially when you you know, trying to do a driving vlog. Make sure your hands are free, and just because your hands are free don't mean, you know, nothing bad won't happen, you know. So you definitely got to be alert. I got my GoPro strapped up on my head, and as y'all see, y'all can see me right there. All right. That nightlife, that nightlife. It's that nightlife, that nightlife. Hey, I ain't gonna stunt y'all. This video gonna be pretty stretched out. Hope you came with a little patience. Like I say, I really don't do these type of videos, so hope y'all enjoy every little content I'm giving y'all. Hey, I was gonna ask you if you wanted to go to El Tisacito. You guys, I'm not ending the video, but I am done cruising with the boys for the night. I'm gonna go ahead and about to go meet with my wife. Pretty much, we're about to go have a little dinner because it is 9:13. There go the boys right there. They don't even know I'm leaving their ass. Yeah, Kamari's card is loud as hell. Like I say, man, thank y'all for tuning in with this video. Like the video if you want more videos like these. Comment if you like the video, if you want more videos like these, man. Like I say, I really don't do these type of videos that much, but you know, if y'all show me y'all support, I will get down and try to get, you know, one of these videos out each week if I see good stuff. You know, I watch my analytics and watch all my numbers and stuff on my watch time, and if my watch time's doing good on these type of videos, there will be more. But you know, at the end of the day, I'm trying to grow my channel, I'm trying to get more subscribers, and I'm also trying to you know, have fun. I don't want to be doing stuff that, you know, I'm doing stuff that I like doing as well, but I want to do stuff that people actually enjoy watching. Acura's definitely been doing good numbers, so I think anything I post with the Acura will be good. So like I say, man, thank y'all for tuning in with Life with D Black. Keep subscribing, sharing, liking the videos, coming on videos. It's definitely helping out the channel a lot. Now, yeah, man, I'll see y'all next video. Thank y'all for tuning in with this little POV vlog. And what should I name this video, man? Let's name it Late Night Adventures in the RSX. Ha! Y'all will see it on the title, man. See y'all later. Peace.